Shinshiv, Smisha Gillespie Bach Gerrigish. I'm Gillespie Ferguson, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach. And I'm here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic. And as you can see, it's late on another lovely day here in the Isle of Skye. And somebody in the comments mentioned a very tricky word, very common, that everybody seems to struggle with. And I'm here to help you fix it. It is goodnight in Gaelic. Now, what I hear most of the time is the wrong vowel sound and sometimes the wrong consonant sound in the middle as well, because we've got a CH. So what I hear, I suppose the worst version I hear is oikiva, and it sounds, it's rubbish. But that's not because you're rubbish at Gaelic, it's because you're not being coached properly. So, what do we have to do? So, the opening vowel, we have to do a bit of gymnastics with our voices and our mouths and engage a bit more of an open sound than most people are used to. So it's aiche. Aiche. So you have to consciously do that. Do it in front of a mirror if you have to. I. So that is, it's a very open OI sound here. OIDH. I. I. And the CH is slender, which means it's a slender vowel on either side, I and E. So it's not a ch, it's a ch. Ch. I. Ch. That kind of soft sound made on the hard palate with your tongue. Gentle sound. I. Ch. Put it all together, we get aiche. Aicheva. Aicheva. Remember to keep the adjective nice and short. It's not aicheva. We're not in Surrey, darling. It's aicheva. Shine. For more tips on how to get rid of these kind of English sounds out of your Scottish Gaelic, subscribe to my channel. Shinshiv.